Today, we are going to look at the story of the gingerbread man. The gingerbread man. One day, there was an old woman. The old woman was baking. She was baking a gingerbread man. And when she looked up, the gingerbread man was alive. He was alive. And the woman looked at him and said, come back, gingerbread man. But the gingerbread man ran. He ran out of the door, and the woman started to chase after him. The gingerbread man said, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. And the gingerbread man ran away from the old woman. Next, the gingerbread man met a cow. A cow. Moo! The cow said, gingerbread man, I want to eat you. And the gingerbread man said, no, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. And he looked at the cow moo and laughed. He laughed. He said, no. And he ran away. Next, the gingerbread man met a horse. The horse was much bigger and faster than the cow. Moo. The horse, neigh. The horse said, I want to eat you, gingerbread man. But the gingerbread man said, no, horse, you won't eat me. Now, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. And the horse chased. He ran after the gingerbread man. So now there was a cow, moo, a cow, a horse, an old woman who is somewhere over there. She can't keep up. Were chasing the gingerbread man. And the gingerbread man said, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. But then the gingerbread man had a problem. He ran into a river. And he can't swim. The gingerbread man can't swim. He thought, what can I do? The horse, neigh, and the cow, moo, or even the old woman are going to catch me. What can I do? But there was a sly fox, and the fox said, Gingerbread Man, get on my back, and I will swim across the river for you. He was very, very smart, the fox. So the fox started to swim across the river with the gingerbread man on his back. Very, very clever. But the gingerbread man did not expect what happened next to happen. No, he did not. The fox, being the clever, genius, sly little fox that he was, flicked the gingerbread man up in the air and opened his mouth. He opened his mouth. The gingerbread man was terrified. He said, "No! You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." But unfortunately, the fox ate the gingerbread man. The fox ate him. What a clever, cunning fox. That is the story of the gingerbread man. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Have a good day.